Good morning, everyone. Okay, Aditya, have you done? Next, from girls, as I must say that we are performing an activity here, and narration is given to students, and they have to come to blackboard and attempt it one by one. So Aditya has written. Now you, Anjana, check whether he has done correct or not. Aditya has done. Anjana is checking whether he has done correctly or not. Is he correct? Written correctly?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So next turn, Ria. You go there. Solve the second one, Ria. Remove it. All. Just a minute. All have written the answer of first one from the blackboard. Under it, do the next one. I said to you, you should wait for me. She is writing on the blackboard, attempting an exercise that was given on the blackboard. For last 1 week, we are learning narration in the class. One by one, each has to come here. Don't waste your time, just focus on your sentences. Now, Anmol, you stand up and tell whether all the sentences are correct or not. Is there any mistake? Come and correct it. And Ria, you see that. Students have to diagnose the mistakes by themselves. Whole class is involved in doing their work. Understood? That is the mistake. Whenever there is object, you have to change said with told. Okay? Very good. Have you all done first one? Have you all done? Okay. Anmol, third. Now you do there. Remove that first sentence. Yes, very good. Third you are attempting. Place number here. The sentence is Ram said to Rahim, you are a good player. Don't tell him. Do by yourself. Don't take help from Adit. What happened? Yes. Remove inverted commas. Remove inverted comma and write whatever you have to write there. No. When you remove inverted comma, what do you write? Don't put inverted comma there. Just remove them. What do we place in place of inverted commas? That. That. First you solve here. Solve here. You is second person. It will change according to here. That was. Subject is missing. Who was? That was. Who was good player? You have to convert this you. You have left it. What will come in place of you? There are Ram and Rahim. Both are boys. Both are boys. What do we use for boys? He. Write down he there. Before was. He was. Okay. Now it is correct. Does anyone has doubt? Correct everything? Okay. Next from girls. Come. Now Rohitara is coming to solve the next example. First you watch the example carefully. Madam said to me, you are a good student. And Neha, you just tick before their names who are doing activity in this diary. Here is the diary and we are doing an activity. This is for grammar here. Activity. Okay. Those who are coming for activity, just tick before them. Take your own pen. Mohan told me that you have to change the tense as well. He will diagnose, you come here, Prince. Diagnose the mistake. There is a mistake in the sentence. Now you sit down. Look from there. Yes. Prince, come here. There is a mistake. Find it out. Madam said to me, you are a good student. That I was. Me. It will change as per me. And me is related to I. So, here we will have I in place of me. Means you. In place of you. Now is the sentence correct? Anjana, is the sentence correct? Okay. Next from girls. Achha, girl has written. So now you come. Next to Prince. Yes. Take the next one. Example. Whom? Just a minute. We are tense. First you remove the first sentence. Remove this one. First, third number. Then. Now here is Sumit Srivastav. And he will try to do an activity on the blackboard. The sentence is, Gopal said to me, I am writing a book. Do by yourself. No? Said will be converted into told. Don't help him. Let him write wrong. Let it be. Sumit, go to your seat. You don't know. Don't take help from others. If you don't know, you should watch properly and learn it, how to do. Go to your seat. Next, from girls, Archita, you come here. Do the same sentence. Now, Archita is coming. Remove it. Then do. That one also. That line also. Remove it. Gopal told. Remove everything from there. Yes. Be ready, Vikas. Now it's your turn. Oh, verb is missing. Reporting verb. Okay, who will correct it? Vikas, come and correct it. Look where there are mistakes. Just encircle first of you. You should encircle first of, no? Now remove it. Look how he is writing. There were mistakes of tense and pronoun also. Look at there. Don't tell. Look at here, Archita. Underline where she was incorrect. Underline those places where she was incorrect. He and was. You had written is in place of was. You did not change the tense. And also you did not change the narration. First of all, I don't know whether you see or not. You all have to focus here. Pronoun and this one. What is this? Auxiliary verb. Here you have to focus. You have to change here and here. First you make a blueprint of this in your mind, then write on the blackboard. Now it's turn of Ayush, come. Next. Come Ayush. Which sentence you are doing?
6.
You said to me, I have been reading a book for 2 hours. So fast he is writing. Yes. You told me that don't look there. You, me. First you look there. Don't write in this way. First you look there, first you understand what to do, then only. You had been reading a book for 2 hours. Reading a book. Now you will correct it, okay? Roshni Shukla, come and correct the sentence. I got a mistake there. Come Roshni. Ayush, you see whether there is any mistake. Otherwise Roshni is coming to correct the mistake. Done? No mistake is there? Okay, come Roshni. Find out the mistake. First you encircle the mistake. Go. Encircle it. Wherever the mistake is. There. Take a chalk from drawer. Who is laughing like that? Who? Ragini? You were laughing like this? No? There is mistake. Come here. Now who will tell? Ashtam, you go and find out the mistake. Vikas, what's going on? What should be there? You is wrong. Just look there. I think you are also not correct. You told me, you said to me, me is related to Neha, you go and correct it. Ashtam's answer is also incorrect. Does anyone know where is the mistake? You came to know? Neha, it is sixth one. He is right? According to you also. He is right or not? She has written you and he is right. Okay. So, I, you. No, actually I was wrong. You is absolutely correct. You is correct. I got confused because I was watching towards me. It is a human mistake. I got confused. So you is correct. So Ayush answer is correct. Okay? Very good. Next, remove everything from there. And now, who will come? You. Shivam, it's boys' turn or girls? Boys' turn. Come Shivam. You take the 7th example. What? What? No offensive words should be used there. I will upload this video on YouTube. I am going to upload the video on YouTube. Don't behave like that. And keep quiet. Next example is Lalit said to her. Look at the next example. Lalit said to, what happened? She changed the scene and you are so perturbed because of that. Let her sit anywhere. Seat is vacant and what is the problem? Okay, I will call. You are sitting here. Sure. Lalit told her that, look at the blackboard, everyone. Okay, Shivam, have you done? Now from girls, who will come? Ragini. Are you getting it? Nisha will come. Okay, Nisha? The sentence is Lalit said to her, you should Listen to me carefully. Come. First you look at the sentence and see what to change and then check whether they are correct or not. You are understanding? Okay. If Nisha is fail, then you have to come here, okay? That you, one mistake I got. Me, two mistakes I got. Could you got any? Okay.
Is it an imperative sentence?
Hmm?
Is this sentence an imperative sentence because it is ordering her to listen carefully?
Lalit said to her, you should listen to me. You is given there. Listen me. If the sentence starts with verb, then it is imperative. You should listen. You is given, then it is not imperative sentence. Yes, very good. What should be there? Yes, right. Be confident. First you do that. No, don't remove. You just write above that. She is absolutely correct. Yes. Now you should listen me. Me is first person. It will change according to subject. Subject is Lalit. Lalit is a boy. Then no, Lalit is a boy. Third person. He, possessive pronoun of he. Him. Now it's correct. Carefully. Now the sentence is correct. Next, Nisha, you attempt the next one. Vinod and Pramod said to me, we shall help you. Okay, Nisha, you sit down. Sit down. Next, Ragni, you come here. No? From boys. Now it's boys' turn. Come. Guru is coming. This boy is the guru of whole class. Actually, okay, Anshu. You replaced Anshu. Why? You are not confident, Guru. You are not confident. The last one, Vinod and Pramod said to me, we shall help you. Anshu is attempting. Now you have to correct it. What's your name? Yes, your. You are not understanding it. Lakshmi, can you check it? Let him write first, then you come to check it. Vinod and Pramod. Yes. What happened? Okay. Vinod and Pramod told me that okay, now Lakshmi, correct it. Where are the mistakes? Find them now. First you sit down. Come Lakshmi. Find out the mistake. Are you sure? No? Gagandeep, come here. Lakshmi, you should do more revision, okay? Now Gagandeep is here to find out the mistakes. Don't remove, you just encircle the mistakes. Encircle the mistakes. Yes. Not writing in good handwriting. Not able to. Okay, she is not understanding his writing. Yeah. Should is written there. Should is should always. It is model auxiliary. There is no mistake in should. Okay, you remove everything, then do the whole sentence. Others are doing in copies. Everyone has to do in copy also. Vinod and Pramod, write in good handwriting. Slowly but beautifully. Told 2 is correct. 2 is correct. Justified. We just eliminate true. 2 eliminate. No. Vinod and Pramod told me remove inverted comma, add what? When you remove inverted commas, you write something, na? What is that? Getting confused. Huh. Guru, be ready for correction. Okay, remove it. Also change pronoun. How many times? I have told you in class, we is always they. Just remember it. We is always they in narration. They should, you according to me. They should help me. Okay. So after lots of confusion, after all she has done it. So bravo, good. And keep it up. In this way we all have to attempt other examples also. I am going to write some more examples and then you have to do. That's all for now.